Mother Nature's oceans, lakes, and rivers can be so beautiful and calm. But over time, her natural forces will cause damage and eventual failure to your seawall. Seawalls are complicated structures made up of a variety of essential components. If one component fails, the entire seawall is at risk. In traditionally constructed seawalls, weep holes with a geotextile fabric filter allow water to flow from the landward side back into the ocean to prevent pressure buildup. So what causes your seawall to fail? Over time, as the filter fabric fails, soil migration creates voids behind the wall, which causes structural instability. As the voids behind the wall fill up with water, hydrostatic pressure behind the seawall causes the wall panels to shift over time. The shifting panels damage the seawall cap, which holds the entire structure together. When this happens, failure of the seawall is imminent. If ignored, these problems only get worse. Water is relentless, but you can be too. Professionally trained contractors, armed with Seawall Repair Network's patent-pending repair process, are ready to guide you to victory in this battle. Let's take a closer look at the repair process. First, crews perform deep injections of SWRP1 repair material directly behind each panel joint in the seawall. This process fills all the voids while permeating and strengthening the soil. The permeated soil becomes as hard as crystalline bedrock. This is a bird's eye view of a typical seawall. During the patent-pending injection process, specifically engineered amounts of SWRP1 are installed behind the wall panel joints in order to provide critical structural support and to solidify the soil. In addition, both the panel joints and the weep hole channels are filled with SWRP1. Next, a new pressure relief system is created by coring through these weep hole channels and the layer of resin that has been installed behind them. These new channels extend through the permeated soil and into the soil on the landward side. Proprietary pressure release technology is then installed to regulate the release of hydrostatic pressure from any new water that may form behind the wall in the future. Because pressure release technology also stops landward side soil from passing through the dewatering channels, it prevents new erosion and void formations. The support of high-strength SWRP1 repair material combined with the regulation of hydrostatic pressure protects your seawall from subsequent movement, damage, or failure. Now you have a permanent, environmentally friendly solution that's NSF third-party certified for contact with drinking water and won't harm marine life. Best of all, your seawall is repaired with an advanced, non-invasive process at up to 80% less cost and a fraction of the time required to completely replace your seawall. The Seawall Repair Network patent-pending repair process is available nationwide. For a free estimate, call us or visit our website today.